haven't uploaded in a while. Our melon season is done with already. We have our cover crop in, but this year has been crazy for us. Our parents were involved in a car accident. They got hit by a drunk driver on their way home. So we've been in and out of the hospital a lot. With my mom, she has had multiple surgeries since the accident and still has more to come. And then in November, I had back surgery. So I am still recovering from back surgery. Can't really do much, but figured give you an update of what we have going on right now. We are growing broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower for the first time. Gonna go take you over there to that field to show you how it looks and how it's all going. We've been harvesting it already for about a month, and we still have probably another month, maybe a month and a half left of harvesting all that. And then we got an order for that tomorrow. We got to go get ready and packed, and it's gonna get taken tomorrow morning for the delivery. All right, before I go to the other field to show the broccoli and cabbage, gonna show you our new truck we got this year. This is to replace our flatbed, Big Bertha. This one we named Bernice. It's a 20-foot box truck. This is to do, obviously, take over for our older truck that is over there. This, we go to the market with it and do our deliveries. It's got a lift gate. Load up all our pallets in here for the markets and deliveries. All right, this is where we planted all the cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. We're harvesting the green cabbage right now. And then my aunt just harvested the purple cauliflower. These ones are a little bit smaller. The first cutting we had of them were a little bit bigger. These are a little bit smaller now. And then this is all like the first planting of it. This is our second planting of the broccoli right here. Got red cabbage, yellow cauliflower, and then we have a green cauliflower and the white cauliflower. First time planting any of this. We've never planted a winter crop. All right, the green cabbage is all cut. It's getting picked up right now. This is where we had the melons planted during the melon season, and then we just came in and replanted all the broccoli and cauliflower and cabbage here. That section of bare land over there is where they pulled out their grapes, and so we will be planting on that section, that half over there, and then the half where we planted already. So it's about 30 acres right here where we'll be planting. They already filled up the bins of cabbage, but they need to go back and get another bin to fill up the rest. All right, this is the other ground we're leasing, another 15 acres. It's all ready to go already. Once it's time to start planting, we'll be planting here as well. I'm not sure if we're gonna put melons, watermelons, or peppers here yet. More than likely it's gonna be watermelons. This is what we have harvested in the cooler right now. This is all green cabbage. Got more green cabbage all right here. We got some of the purple cabbage. broccoli, the broccoli florets, and then the bigger crowns of broccoli right here. And then more green cabbage. And then we're gonna transfer this all into bins, and this is going to be delivered tomorrow. The order is basically gonna take everything we have in the cooler right now and all the bins that my brother and sister just finished packing the order that will be delivered tomorrow of the cabbage. It's gonna be all these bins right here.